Okay, so I'm just going to go over one from each section and see if that helps you. So let's look at the first section. It says find the common ratio. So ratio means a number that is being multiplied. So the easiest way to find the ratio is if you take any next term and divide it by the previous term. So let's look at number 2. So if I take 18 and divide it by the term right in front of it, that will give us our ratio, and you always want to reduce. Okay, so you said you had questions on sequences, explicit formulas, and recursive. So let's look at 11 through 16. I don't know if you have questions on using them. So if they want the first 5 terms, I just like to map out 5. So the first term is always found by substituting n equals 1 into the formula. So if I have 1 minus 1 is 0, so 3 to the 0 is equal to 1. The second term, you're going to substitute 2 into the formula. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 to the first is 3. And then you'll notice it's going to keep going. So substitute 3. 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 squared is 9, and you might be able to find the pattern here. We're just going to multiply by 3 each time, but you can always substitute 4 and 5. All right, to find the formula for explicit, the general formula is a to the n equals a1 times r to the n minus 1. a1 is your first term, and then r is your ratio, what you're multiplying by. So let's look at number 20. So my general formula, I've got -3 as my first term. I need to figure out what I'm multiplying by. So if you don't know, remember, you can always take any second term and divide it by the previous term. So since this is -2, we're going to put it in parentheses to the n minus 1. Okay, you cannot multiply the -3 and the -2, so you just leave that as your formula. Now the recursive formula, I'm going to use a different color. You need 2 formulas for recursive. So the first formula, you always just state what the first term is. You have to provide that. The second formula, you need to memorize this notation, and there's 2 different ways you can write the notation. I'm just going to show you one, so it will be acceptable, is you need to find the pattern. So our pattern is to multiply by -2. So the notation for the previous term is you're going to have a subscript n minus 1. That all stands for the previous term. And then you're going to multiply by -2. So that's it. So you have to memorize that notation and you just use it in your formula. Okay? And it looks like that's it. So they use the same notation. All right. There is a different notation, but since they didn't use it, I'm not even going to explain it either. All right. Let me know if that doesn't help, and we'll set up another meet invite.